I'm back! You know, let me start off by saying 1 year ago at Blizzard Brawl, here, I announced my retirement in Waukesha. And 1 year later, almost to the day, I'm here to announce my, como se dice, unretirement in Waukesha. You know, I still call it pro wrestling, and nobody in the Chicagoland, Midwest, Wisconsin, Cheesehead area puts on a wrestling show better than Dave Hero. I mean that. I still call it pro wrestling. It's been in my blood since I was a little niño. It'll always be a part of me. I ain't going nowhere. Not yet. And amigos, hey, we got a great show for you tonight. Several big matches featuring several well-known superstars. And I have, let me just say, I have a very big announcement later this evening. And by the way, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Armando Estrada. Let the show begin.
Thank you.
Tonight's first contest is a 6-man tag team match.